Welcome to the Deep Dive. Our mission today, we're cutting through all the noise around cloud transformation for web application development. We're not just listing definitions here. We want to pull out the strategic shortcuts, the ones that really maximize your development speed and, just as importantly, minimize that admin burden for you and your teams.
That's exactly the challenge, isn't it? This shift. It's more than just tech. It's fundamental. You're moving away from owning big, expensive hardware upfront. That's CapEx, capital expenditure, towards, well, elastic services, operational expenditure, or OpEx.
Right. So the big question for any company trying to scale fast is, which model, which architecture, truly frees up your engineers' time?
Yeah, what lets them build instead of manage infrastructure?
Okay, so to answer that, we kind of have to touch on the basics, EIS, PAVS, SAWS, but let's think of them less as definitions and more like a scale, right? Control versus abstraction.
Exactly. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, gives you the most control. You manage the OS, everything.
But the real speed catalyst, especially for agile companies, for startups, that seems to be platform as a service, PaaS.
Absolutely. PaaS does the heavy lifting. It abstracts away really critical stuff like the operating system, the network management underneath. That drops your administrative burden way down. Think medium effort compared to, say, managing VMs, which is high effort.
So your engineers stop being sysadmins and actually become feature developers again. Faster time to market.
That's the goal.
But okay, then the equation changes again, doesn't it, when you get to serverless computing? Function as a service, PaaS. That seems like the ultimate abstraction.
It really is. Serverless gives you the minimal administrative burden possible, like almost zero. You basically just upload your code, your function.
Right.
The provider handles security, scaling, running it, and crucially, it's pure paper use.
Paper use, so scaling is automatic, instant.
Instantaneous. Yeah.
Yeah.
Scales up, scales down. You only pay for what you execute.
Okay, hold on. If serverless is so minimal, maximum speed, why are we still seeing huge investments in things like Kubernetes? Managing containers, that sounds like a massive speed bump, honestly. All that complexity. Is the portability really worth that admin cost?
That's the strategic trade-off, isn't it? Containers, like with Kubernetes, offer really high portability. That helps you avoid getting locked into one cloud vendor. Huge benefit for some orgs.
But it comes at a price.
It does. It comes with that medium to high admin burden. People call it the hidden complexity of Kubernetes. You suddenly need specialized folks managing service meshes, storage, networking rules, basically all the infrastructure stuff that PaaS and serverless just handle for you.
Okay, so that choice portability versus abstraction hits the balance sheet directly. Let's talk money. FinOps. This shift to OpEx, paying as you go. It changes the financial picture completely, right? Costs are elastic and often fully tax deductible right away.
Exactly. And that's why FinOps Finance plus DevOps has become so essential. It's not just about cutting the cloud bill, though that's part of it. It's really about maximizing the business value you get from that cloud spend. Because that OpEx flexibility, it's great. But without good FinOps practices, it can easily become a runaway train. Unmanaged financial risk.
Yeah, uncontrolled spending.